Hello, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about n8 n8n tool. Okay, in this I am going to teach you how to learn AI with automation. How to learn AI with automation in real life. Okay, AI means what? AI means is nothing but a brain. Okay, it's for example, I am saying that means decision making, everything happens in AI. Okay, automation means automation means what? Hands on. Okay, it means doing tasks automatically, doing tasks automatically. Okay, together we are going to work in by using n8n tool. That is nothing but learning AI plus automation in real life by using tool called n8n. n8n is a I will tell you. Okay, AI decides, automation executes. AI decides and automation executes. Okay. See, for example, customer support bot is there. Customer support bot is there. Okay. In old methods, what happen? In old methods, what happen? Human replies to human replies to every message. Human replies to every message. Slow and also costly because they need to pay, right. After automation in new methods came, then AI reads message. Okay, auto replies, auto replies instantly, auto replies instantly. Okay, that is the advantage of AI plus automation. Okay, used by companies like what? Which companies? Used by companies like Amazon, Flipkart, and so on. Okay, next another example: resume screening. Resume screening. See, in resume screening, in olden days, what happened? HR reads, HR reads thousand resumes. HR reads thousand resumes manually. But after AI came, then what happened? AI filters top candidates automatically. Top candidates automatically. That is the advantage. Now, next I will tell you one more example. Email automation. Email automation. What is meant by email automation? In olden days, what happened? Manually writing mails. Manually writing emails. But in modern days, what happened? In modern days, what happened? After AI came, AI writes plus sends emails automatically. AI only will do all those things. Okay. See, by using here we are using AI plus automation. Okay, by using free tools like n8n. n8n is a tool. It's an automation tool. Like Zapier is there, right? Zapier. Okay, and OpenAI. OpenAI. Okay, AI brain. AI brain. Okay. Next, and also you need to install Node.js software also. Node.js software also you need to install. Okay, and then you need to install n8n also, and then you need to install n8n also. See, the thing is you need to install Node.js software. Okay, Node.js software in AngularJS or code demo session I show you about Node.js software. Today I will show you. Oh, see, not only that, how many of you manually do these tasks? How many of you see? How many of you manually do this task? That means copy data from forms to Excel, sending emails after registration, and then update customer relationship management manually. Check APIs again and again. Because of manual work, what happened? Time waste plus human errors will going to happen. That's why n8n is an automation tool, is an automation tool where you connect applications and automate tasks using workflows. Okay, there is no heavy coding, no heavy coding. Okay, it is an automation tool where you connect apps and automate tasks using workflows. For example, where sir, for example, when student fails, when student fills google form when student fills google form, what happens? Automatically send email, then save in database, and then notify in telegram, notify in telegram. Okay, these are the olden days and nowadays AI with automation we are using. For that, we are using the tool called n8n. Okay, their manual before they in old methods manual data entry we are doing. Here automatic workflows. They're writing scripts for API. Here drag and drop nodes we are using. Their cron jobs and coding we are using. Here visual automation we are using. There are multiple tools. Here one platform we are using. Okay, and these are the differences between old methods and n8n. Okay, n8n is like similar to the jpr and make tools. It's like a similar to the jpr and make tools. Okay, n8n is a free and open source software. How to install n8n means, see, first, see, this npm install n8n-g. Before going to that one, you have to install node.js. Where we are going to install node.js means node.js free download. See, node.js, see, node.js. Oh, no, okay, node.js download, go to download. Here windows is there, no, you can select windows and then go down, you can install it, and then you can next then node.js is installed. Whether node.js is installed or not, how to check? Go to command prompt, go to command cmd node double hyphen version, node double hyphen version. If we give, then 24th version 24 is the node.js version. Okay, then what you need to do, you have to install n8n. How to install n8n? Then go npm install node package manager install n8n-g. This you have to copy here, and then it will take some time, around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then you need to install n8n. Then after install n8n, you will get this thing. Okay, I will show you. See, here, see, like this it will come. Okay, once it will come, you mention n8n. After n8n, what it will happen is finally you will get this thing. Okay, like this. Okay, we will see. It is loading because it will take some time. Okay, it will load. Keep on loading. It will take some time. Wait. See, without practicals, it's very difficult to survive in the industry. Okay, practical oriented only, you have to learn any type of course. This is a new course. Will get job easily. Okay. How to use AI with automation by using tools like n8n. These type of courses, if you learn perfectly practicals, then you will get job easily. Okay. Then these are the different kinds of practicals I done. See, this is one type of practical I done, and then go again, and then this is another type of practical we done. Okay, and then this is another type of practical we done. Okay, these three practicals I will explain you today in today's session. Okay, in tomorrow's session I will explain you so many practicals. Okay, because this is a demo session, that's why I don't want to show you everything in the demo session itself. Okay, I don't want to make you things hurriedly. See, it is installing. It will take some time. See, it is rotating. Once it is installed, then you can play it like anything. Okay, you can play the jobs. It is loading. Okay, then I'll copy this one, and then okay, these are the production execution. This is a failure production execution, failure rate, type set, and everything. Okay, okay. These type of installations we done. After we done these type of installations, then you can open this one. Open this one, n8n. Okay, you can open this one and then go to here, and then go to new workflow. Okay, and then go to new workflow. Then what we need to do means I will show you. Okay, I will show you. No need to worry at all. See, when user enter data, send email automatically. That is our task. See, when user enters data, send email automatically. This is our task. Send email automatically. When user enters data, send email automatically. This is our task. For this, what we need to do means, for this, go here and then okay, manual trigger, add manual trigger. Okay, this thing you need to add here. Come here. Okay, then start. See here, it will workflow executed. See, user clicks execute, then what happened? Workflow starts successful. Then what you need to do means you need to set node. You need to set add node. Okay, add node. Sorry, add node. Okay, here you need to set. So take this one. Once you open this one, here you have fields. Okay, add field name. So name I am writing. Name as boss. Okay, add another field. Okay, email. Email as bossp335 at the rate gmail.com. I am writing. Okay, gmail.com. I am writing. Okay, you can execute this step. Here only it is showing name bar, email ID, this thing. Okay, then you can close. Okay, we will see here. We will see here what we return. Same thing we return, right? See, same thing we return. Okay, leave it. Leave it. I will show you. No issues. Uday. Okay, right? Uday is the right. Okay. This is the practical thing. Okay. Whatever we are doing right now, this is the practical. Okay. See, this is the thing we done. Okay. Right. No issues. And then what we need to take? We need to take Gmail, because when a user clicks, email sends automatically, right? For that purpose, another node what we need to take? Gmail. Gmail node we need to take. Gmail node. Okay. Okay. Gmail node we need to take. Okay. In Gmail node, what I need to return, we will see. Previously I written in Gmail node, first Gmail account setup credential. Okay. No credentials because I already created, right? That's why credentials are not showing. Okay. I will show you here. See, this is the Gmail account. This is the Gmail account we are taking. Okay. Next, and then resource as message, because email means message, right? Operation as send. Okay, and then we are taking this thing node edit fields dot json email. Okay, then welcome to our platform is our subject, email test type email, and hello edit fields dot json name. When I execute this thing, what happens? We will see. See, name bars, email this one. When I click execute workflow, what happened? We will see. Just now we click that, then we can go and we can see in our mail ID. I will go and I will see in my mail ID. Wait. See, welcome to our platform. Hello, boss. Because name I am giving as boss. That's why when user clicks enter, when a user enters details, then email sends automatically. This is the workflow we designed by using n8n tool. Okay, this is our first task. And next task is go to Uday. See where we use it, sir. Where we use it. See what we do, what we are doing here. We are doing nothing. Okay. See what we are doing here. We are doing nothing. So I will tell you. See, JSON name is take email dynamically from previous node. User's name dynamically from previous node. Here what we are doing, we are click execute. This is the flow. Click execute. Manual trigger starts. Set node creates data. Email node sends email. This is the flow. When you click execute, manual trigger starts, set node creates data, and email node sends email. Okay. And finally, hello boss. Welcome to our platform. This is the heading. Okay. Next, what happened here? See, trigger to data, trigger to data, manual trigger to data, data to action. Okay, it is happening here. Okay, manual click and then create JSON data, create JSON data, and then send email is the action. This is the flow that is happening in this example. Okay, when what happens here, user enters data, send email automatically. Okay, I already show you this example. Okay, this is the flow. See, where we use it, sir, these type of things means in job portals. First one is in job portals we use this thing. In job portals, what happen, whenever a new applicant fills his application form and then save and then sends confirmation, okay, automatically. And then e-commerce orders placed, send invoice, updates the database. Okay, next YouTube automation, new video, whenever you are uploading new video, it posts to Telegram, such type of cases. Okay, and API testing automation means it calls API and validate response and then stores result where we use job portals, e-commerce, YouTube automation, API testing automation. In these cases we are using these things. By using these things we can save time, no coding required, working with APIs. Okay, automation is nothing but what, productivity we have to improve, and then it is a free and open sources. Okay, see, you can do such type of same things. If you want to do, you can do by using name and email add-on, right? Similarly you can do another example I will give you. Okay, here it shows one HTTP request node call API webhook real-time trigger. See, n8n is like a digital employee that works 24/7. n8n is like a digital employee that works 24 bar 7 without mistakes. Okay, without mistakes. Next I want to show you one more example. Okay, see, when you submit a form for a payment, next I want to show you one more example. What example I want to show you? See, I want to show you one more example. I will try. Okay, wait, marker. Okay, this you need to create user data. Next, edit fields. Okay, json.model.name. Okay, here what I am giving me, if age greater than or equal to 18, adult, else minor. Okay, name, age I am giving fields here. Okay, condition I am checking greater than or equal to 18. Okay, success, user is adult, else user is else fail, user is minor. This output I want to get. For this I prepared this one, and then I am executing this one, and then I am executing this one, and then I want to run this code. Okay, I will show you how to run. Okay, I want to run this code. See, greater than 18 means adult, otherwise see, success greater than or equal to 18 means user is adult, it is success. If I give 17, we will see 17 I will give. Okay, and again I am executing the workflow, we will see no issues. See, user is minor, greater than or equal to 18 means only adult, less than or equal to 18 means minor, status failed. Same thing we are seeing here also. See, boss is the name, status minor is 17, because of a condition we write like that, greater than or equal to 18 only adult, remaining are minor. That's why this is the output. Okay, this is how we are going to do with the automation. Okay, next I want to show you one more example also. See, these are the normal small examples. For this we require little bit JavaScript loops, conditions. Okay, for these things. Okay, if you go in depth, 90 sessions will be there for n8n. Okay, so many things are there, so many JavaScript code be used in these things, but not complex JavaScript code, but almost a few of JavaScript code we are going to use here. Okay, next I want to show you this thing. Here what I am doing is through what is the capital of France I am giving. Okay, what is the capital of France I am giving. See, and the reply I need to get, what is the reply I want to get. Okay, Paris is the capital of France I want to get. Yes or no? Paris is the capital of France I want to get. Okay, Paris is the capital of France I want to get. Okay, okay, see, for that purpose same webhook node we taken, and then we are writing here, and then we are closing, and then edit fields we taken, and then say reply Paris is the capital of France. In set node I am data, in data I am creating, and then see through a we will get automatically, but see we need to connect this to this and this to this. Why I am disconnecting this one means without a I am showing here. Okay, that's why I directly connected here. Okay, see, then when I run this code, execute workflow, when I run this code, go here or anywhere, what is the, see here, what is the capacity of France? Wait, you can enter, then you will get a reply Paris is the capacity of France. See, what is the capacity of France is the question. Reply what? This is the capacity of France. When we written this one in 8 fields, in data we are writing here. Okay, see here. What is the capacity of France? Reply Paris is the capacity of France. Okay, like this we need to do. Why I am discussing this means if you want to connect it through AI, then you have to connect to this OpenAI message model, and from this you need to connect to here. But why I'm not showing you, see in the OpenAI model we are writing the code like this. See, what is the capital of France? Automatically it will give reply. But in my system, see, in my zero balance is there, credits. I need to pay payment for this one. Okay, this is the demo session, right? That's why I didn't pay. Okay, if I add payment details, if I paid money, then this will, then this will work, then this will work automatically. AI will give Paris is the capacity of France. Okay, this is the demo session, that's why I didn't paid that amount. Okay, once you joined, then I will pay, and then I will show you so many things. Okay, okay guys. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you. See, like this we are going to do AI with automation. See, in authentication layer also you will use in login system, in user for external API calls, so many areas we used. Okay, honestly, n8n is not a testing tool actually. Okay, it can be used to build testing automation systems. See, n8n is not a testing tool. Okay, but it can be used to build testing automation, build testing automation systems. You can use it to build testing automation systems. In simply, n8n is equal to workflow automation tool. Workflow automation tool, not a testing tool. Workflow automation tool. Workflow automation tool. It helps you to connect applications like API, databases, email, connect apps like, okay, APIs, databases, emails, okay, automate tasks, Okay, and then build backend logic visually. Build backend logic visually. I will show you how to connect to backend and everything in tomorrow's session. Okay, once you paid the fees. Okay, n8n is, see, because we can use it with tools like Postman also to send request, API to validate responses. So n8 becomes testing automation engine. So see, we can use with tools like Postman to send request to send requests. Okay, APIs to validate response to validate responses. Okay, not only that one. Okay, not only so n8n becomes a testing automation engine. Okay, it can be used to build automation testing automation systems, right? Like that, it becomes a testing automation engine, but not a testing tool. But not a it's not a testing tool. Okay, it's a workflow automation tool. Okay, testing automation systems or testing automation engine. Okay, but not a testing tool. Okay, this thing you have to see. See, n8n is nothing but a, what is the purpose of n8n? Automation. Testing tools purpose for testing. Example of n8n is workflows. Testing tools means API validation. Tools we used n8n. In testing tools we used Postman, Selenium. Coding, no coding, they are sometimes required. Okay, n8n. Okay, versus testing tools. n8n is not a testing tool. Okay, it's a workflow automation tool. Okay, n8n purpose is automation. Okay, testing tool purpose is testing. Example is workflows. Their API validation. In testing, API validation we are doing. Here workflows. Here we are using a tool called n8n. There we are using a tool called, for API validation they are using tools called Postman, Selenium, such type of tools. Here coding is low. They required, sometimes required. Okay, these are the differences between testing tool and n8n tool, n8n workflow automation tool. Okay, this thing you have to remember in your mind. Now nowadays some few of the guys is saying it's an automation tool also. It's a testing tool. No, no, it's not a testing tool. It's a workflow automation tool used to build testing engine, testing automation systems or testing automation engine. Okay. Okay, next. Using Postman in testing tool, what we are doing, you can send API request, check response, write test cases. Okay, but using n8n, see, using testing tool like Postman, we can send API request. Okay, here send API request. Okay, check response by using Postman. Okay, write test cases. But in n8n, what happens is send API request only. Same like Postman, here also we are sending API request. Check response. Check response. Generate their write test cases. Here generate test cases through AI. Through AI. And then store results. There manually we are doing, here through AI we are writing, we are generating it. There we are writing test cases. Here we are generating test cases through AI and then finally storing the results. Okay, testing tool is nothing but a examiner checking answers. n8n is nothing. See, why I am giving the differences between these two is nowadays few of the guys are telling it's a testing, it's not a testing tool. Examiner, it means check answers. Okay, n8n is nothing but a robot assistant. Robot assistant. That means does tasks automatically. Does tasks automatically. Okay. Automatically it will done tasks. Okay. Where n8n fits in testing means you can use n8n to automate API testing workflows. Okay. See, you can use n8n where it can fit into means you can use n8n to first one automate API automate API testing workflows, automate API testing workflows, run scheduled tasks, generate test cases using AI, send reports, send reports automatically. Okay, first one is okay. n8n is not a dedicated testing tool, a powerful automation tool, workflow automation platform. Okay, it can be used to build testing automation systems, testing automation engine. Okay, okay, n8n is not a testing tool, but we can use it to automate testing like a smart backend system. Okay, but we can use it to automate testing like a smart backend system. Okay, smart backend system. Okay, these are the areas where we used n8n. Okay, this is the see that is the difference between n8n is not a testing tool, it's a workflow automation tool. Okay, this is how we are going to use. Okay, in tomorrow's session we will see so many things, remaining things. Okay, okay, before going to close the session, I want to ask you: is this in today's class you can understand, right? See what is meant by test webhook. What it is? See webhooks. I am showing right here webhooks. These webhooks. In this test and prod webhooks will be there. What is the test? This is the test. This is the prod. Okay. What is the difference between test webhook? Test webhook works only once after clicking execute. Once after clicking execute. Production webhook works continuously after activating the workflow. That means if you publish this one, then it production webhook works continuously. But test workflows, when you click on execute, then only it will work. Okay, these things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, next I want to tell you a few more things I want to tell you. Not in today's session, in tomorrow's session, I am going to tell you. Okay, before going to finalize the session, see, this is my mail ID. Okay, this is my website. Okay, you can in tomorrow's session. I am going to send you Google Meet link. Those who have those links, then only they will attend the session. In tomorrow's, I am going to show you how to connect to backend to database. Everything I will show you. Okay, okay, but you have to pay the fees in tomorrow's session. Okay, great hyphen site dot net. This is my website, and Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Is my YouTube channel. Okay, I will show you now. And 8143279660 is my mobile number. I will show you. I will show you. Okay, no need to worry about anything. I will tell you and I will show you. Okay. Okay. See, Udayit.get. This is my website. You can sign up here. Full name, email, password, and then confirm password, and then create account. Once you create an account, there log in here, right? Otherwise you can go here and then otherwise go to home and then see these many courses out there in my online training institute. If you refer your friends, if you're interested, you can join these courses also, or you can refer to your friends also, those who are interested. Okay, this is my go down, this is my mobile number, and this is my email id, and then go up, you can search n8n. Okay, n8n 50,000 is the fees for n8n automation testing, flow automation testing. Okay, enroll now. Okay, once you sign up, right there you can get username, password, right? Those you can fill in. Once you log in, bank details will be there. You can pay the fees. While paying the fees, if you have any doubt, you can go down, and then this is my phone number, this is my mail id. Okay, you can call me or chat. Still you have any doubts, see, and go to youtube.com. See, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, in this, see, so many videos are there: manual testing, Salesforce, mass DevOps, quantum computing, AI prompt, AI mass. These are all service now. Android, Informatica, Power BI, Oracle SQL, PHP, Pega. These are all the ethical hack and cybersecurity. These are all the demo sessions, min stack. CRT also there, verbal, non-verbal, soft skills and aptitude, Django, Python, Java, and SDK course. These are all the demo sections I placed here. If any of your friends are interested, you can refer to them. They will see this video. Once if they are interested, they can ask them to go join your to join in this website, and then they can pay the fees, and then they can join in our institute. Okay, today I am going to upload the today's class video. See, no need to worry at all. Everything I will show you, everything I will tell you, everything at the end of the class I will show you a PDF and everything, and then I will show you the practicals. Okay, everything, no need to worry at all. See, these are all practicals, everything I will show you. Okay, no need to worry at all. At the end of the session I will show you. At the end of session I will share you everything, no need to worry. Okay, in tomorrow session I am going to discuss you about remaining things. Before that you can pay the fees in today, by today night. Okay, okay, we can start the session. I think everybody will understand this session. If still you have any doubts, you can call me or chat with me or ping with me. Okay, have a nice day. It was nice meeting to all of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.